Hello everyone, let's start the video. Take the section of your hair and then secure it with a rubber band nicely. Now pull it inside out. Now start making braids out of it and then start taking small sections of the remaining hair and put it inside the braid. Now do it nicely and gently and only take one side of the hairs. Now do it properly till the end and then secure it with the rubber band as shown in the video. Then make a braid of the remaining hairs, roll it around and it's done. So for the next one, make two braids in the front. Now take another section of your hair and tie it with the rubber band. Now take the braid and tie it with the rubber band too. And then repeat the process and it's all done. So for the next one, take two sections of your hairs and start pulling it inside out as shown in the video. Braid it nicely on both the sides, attach it to the ponytails, secure it and it's all done. For the next one, take the three sections of your hairs as shown in the video. Now make sections with the help of a rubber band, attach it to the ponytails as shown in the video, roll it around, make a cute little bun and it's done. Thanks for watching.